Hello friends, my name is Soumya Krishna Panda and I am a solar engineer and I provide training for different softwares related to solar plant designing like SketchUp, PVCs, layout. There are different software which is related to solar plant designing. In this video, I'm going to tell you about my new training for SketchUp software by using SketchUp and layout software, how you can draw different 3D construction or how you can do the shadow analysis for solar plant designing and how you can create a 3D animated video from your drawing. And also here we will talk about few more things which is related to advanced stage for any kind of solar plant designing. So I'm just going to brief you about the things what I'm going to teach you in this course. What are the things you can learn from this training if you take this training. So for solar plant designing, most of the time we need a kind of software where we can design the different kind of objects and we can do the shadow analysis. So in this software we can create any kind of drawing if you want to do. So and also you can check the different kind of shadow and according to the dimensions which is available on site, you can create anything in this software, which is the most flexible part of SketchUp. It's not about solar, it's all about the construction. Any kind of construction you can draw. In this software, the most important aspect what we can use, which is the shadow analysis. According to the different timing, you can just change the shadow period so you can understand that how much shadow is coming to the solar module, so which is very important for solar plant installation. According to the shadow analysis, you can only place the solar module. And also in this training we will discuss different kind of structure drawing. It's a structure for solar high mast street light designing. Now let me talk about this layout software. This is a software which will help you to create the dimension or give the dimension to your project and mention each and every parameter, like what is the area available, how the module is being placed to any specific location, what are the objects is there, how the location is oriented, like north, south, east, west orientations. So these orientations and project description. So these things you can mention here in this layout, and it's a 3D layout. So it's very useful if you want to show someone that, okay, this is the way the module will be placed, this is the way the area will be available after the installation. So this is a kind of 3D layout. Scallion is a kind of plugin which will be added to the SketchUp. By using this Scallion, you can in a specific location, when you just use Scallion, so this software will automatically decide the pitch. It will automatically give you the number of modules in a specific location, how many modules can be placed. Then the last software, which is Enscape. Now Enscape is a very useful tool for any kind of 3D rendering, or if you want to just show something realistic point of view and if you want to attract your client, then Enscape is very useful too. So here you can see that this is a kind of video what I have rendered through Enscape. So you can also get this learning from this training course. So if I just conclude here what I will give you in this training, as you can see here, we are going to cover total 4 number of software in this training course. This is not only for SketchUp. Here we will cover SketchUp, Layout, Enscape and Scallion. Total 4 software you can learn from this training. And here we will talk about different kind of constructional work, how you can create a constructional building or any kind of rendering video, and also like how you can create mountains in the software. So we'll talk about these things as well. And I'm just requesting all the solar engineers who are just working at the sites and just want to just get into the design part and just want to know that what are the software and how the designing is happening in the solar industry. So if you want to just know about it, this is the best course for you. If you want to just know about the course and course fee and all the details, I have given the link in the description. You can just check it out. So I'm giving you the basic course details. This course will start from 26th of June. There will be total 8 number of sessions, and we will conduct daily session from 7:30 p.m. Indian time. And this course is applicable for all over the world. I will conduct the course in English language. So there is no restriction. Join from any part of the world, and each session recording will be available to you after the session. And after completing 8 sessions, there will be one final session where we will discuss each and every doubt what we are like going through for this specific software. So that's all from my side. If you want to learn something new, if you want to add skill in your profile, so just register yourself, and trust me, this course will help you to grow your skill set. So thanks for watching.